students. So I hope everybody is fit and fine. In our previous videos, we were discussing about presidential form of government. We had also covered parliamentary form of government. So taking the topic presidential form of government, today we are presenting the topic of merits of presidential form of government. So today's topic for class 9 political science is merits of presidential form of government. As if you can recall, what is presidential form of government? If I go back, then it's a system where the three organs or the various organs like legislature, executive and judiciary works separately. So let's see that what are its advantages, what are its merits. Because every government comes up with merits as well as demerits. So let's start. So first of all, I would like you to see all these merits. These are the abbreviations, or you can say shorthand of the elaborated merits. I will be taking each point and explaining to you. The first point is permanency. So by the term permanency, you can understand that presidential form of government is permanent in nature. It means whoever will be the head of the state, A, B, C, whoever he or she will be, that particular person is elected for a time period. The time period can be 5 years, the time period can be 3 years or more than that. It's just an example that I am setting in front of you. So until and unless the time period collapses, the whole fixation, the whole government will be fixed and static and permanent in nature. So in natural or in various normal circumstances, the president cannot be removed from his or her place. So because of this, it makes the whole system a very permanent one. So we can say that first merit of presidential form of government is it is permanent in nature. Let's come to the next point. Next is three separate machinery. Three separate machinery. By this term machinery, do not confuse yourself with any machines. Machinery, you can say it's a word which is sophisticated word given to explain particular government or a process. Three machineries are legislative, judiciary and executive. So these three machineries, these three heads, executive, legislature and judiciary, they all are independent in nature. They all work independently. For example, take any three kids from your class, A, B, C. A is acquainted or A is given a particular work that A will make laws, B will implement the laws and C will see that the laws have been properly implemented and executed or not. These three kids have their different work and they are different and they are independently doing their work. They are not reasonable, answerable, questionable or justiciable to each other, but they are answerable to the public because each and every work that they are doing, it is for the public itself. So these three machineries work separately by the principle of separation. So they are separate in nature. Next is useful in emergency. By this term emergency, if you do not know what is emergent situation, let me give you a very vivid example. Nowadays, after the coronavirus attack, you have seen various government has sanctioned or government is giving regular orders or lockdowns or total lockdowns. This is a situation which can be related or which is fully connected with emergency situation. Emergency situation means when a country faces sudden crisis. It can be any epidemic, it can be terrorist attack, it can be natural disaster or it can be a pandemic like corona. This etc. are also there. Do not think that these are the only three examples of it. So when a country faces sudden attack or a situation in which the country is not able to manage its population at a time, so it goes for emergency situation. It means Suppose there is a pandemic, we are not able to tackle all the population at one time, so let's give a lockdown, let's give a closure, that the shops will be closed, offices will be closed. So this kind of things happens. In this situation, whenever a country faces this kind of situation, presidential form of government is the best one. Why? Because it works, or it is very useful in emergency situation, because head of the state remains one, head of the state remains for a certain tenure. So in his or her tenure, if he has enough time to control the emergency, then he or she will do his or her best. So because of a stagnant government, presidential form of government is very much useful in emergency. Let's move ahead. So the fourth one is strong executive. So because the system of presidential form of government carries a very strong executive, so it can safeguard the country very well. Next is less influensive. The last but not the least merit is less influensive. So by this particular statement, less influensive, it means, suppose I am the president of a state or a country. Okay, so to make this, I am to provide an example. What kind of influence do they have? Suppose I am the president of a country and I am from so and so political party. I am a president as well as I belong to a particular political party. But I will not only do or not only work with my political party, but my foremost activity, foremost work will be to serve the country. So I will do each and every bit to serve my nation. My particular political party cannot influence me to do something which is by which they can take my benefit or they can take the advantage of me having in the particular political party. Suppose I take your SST. Now I know what are the questions that I will be giving in your test, what are the questions that I will be asking in your class. So just because I take SST, nobody from your class can ever come and ask you, Miss, which question you are giving in the first duty or half leaves. I am not about to say that. So just because I take your SST, I will not get influenced by what you say. In the same way, just because the president belongs to a particular political party, he or she may come from any political party, that does not make him an influencer or a gullible person who will get influenced by the people of his or her political party. So let's refresh all the merits again. Number 1 is permanency, it's permanent in nature. 3 is separate, number 2 is separate machinery, 3 heads are separate. Next is, it is very useful in emergency, it has a strong executive, and less is, it's less influensive. So that's all for the today's topic, discussion of merits on presidential form of government. Next videos will be coming by taking various other topics. Thank you.